Here I have Motorola Moto C Plus, and let me show you how to use battery saver mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Then you have to find and open the upper bar right here twice, and let's tap on the battery right here. This is the battery picture. As you can see here, you can read some statistic about your battery, and you can also enable the battery saver. So let me do it. Let's use this switcher. Let's tap done, and you just enable the battery saver. So you can now use this mode, or you can also disable this mode by using the same combination of steps. Let's just disable battery saver, and let's tap done. You may also find the battery saver settings in the settings list. So let's open the list of all applications, find and select the settings icon. Let's scroll down, and here you have to find and select the battery. It's located under device tab right here, and here you can choose on battery saver. You can read about this mode. So it helps improve battery life by reducing some of device's performance. And here you may also set up some automatic rules. For example, you can switch on automatically this mode when you have the 5% of the battery or 15% of the battery. And you may also switch on or switch off this mode by using this switcher right here. So basically that's it. You can go back and start using your device in a normal mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.